It's great to see many friendly faces and friends who have contributed to what we have today in Kurdistan and Iraq. There is a lot more that we can do, and Kurdistan could be a hub of connecting the region through energy. Kurdistan is well situated in terms of having the energy resources, different energy resources, whether it's oil, whether it's gas, or transferring energy into electricity and also lighting up the entire region. That is exactly what we need to do. I would like to thank all of our friends what they've done. And I'd like to invite new friends to come and look at Kurdistan as a potential place for investments. We are located in the heart of the Middle East. And because of the resources we have, I think Kurdistan is the place that everybody should look at. I can tell you that over the years, we've done some remarkable achievements by doing some reforms. Iraq, as a federal country, still does not have the full 24-hour electricity. But only in the matter of 2 years, with the reforms that we've done in Kurdistan, we are now close to having 24-hour electricity to all of Kurdistan, even the villages that are in far places. By the end of this year, we will have 24-hour electricity in all of Kurdistan. And we would like to invite everyone to come and look at Kurdistan for its potential, for the role it can play, and also to help the rest of the region.